Hello everybody, this is Lila in Hawaii. I've made another junk journal kit, and the other one I showed a few times back on YouTube, and that sold immediately. So this one is almost identical. Probably the enclosures in these packets are different, but I used two lovely women again and dressed them and put them on there. They're sort of like paper doll style, and there's a key that ties on the side, and the book has two signatures of 20 pages each, and they look like this. Some of them have an image on them, some of them are completely plain. So there are two signatures like that. So that's one of those are the two signatures, and that's how they look. So there's plenty of room there, so you actually have 40 pages, and the back looks like that. Then it comes with the fixins. So this is a package which is really a manila envelope. Oh boy, I wonder if I can open that without messing it up. So it threads through like this, and then inside, I hope I can get it back together again. Inside you will find all these goodies. And I know it's often necessary to see. Now there's still some more in there which I won't get out, but here are some of the ideas here. Some of the pieces. For this, as I say, this is a junk journal. So you get all these are little envelopes. I don't know whether I was in focus, was I there? I get growled at quite a bit because I'm off camera. Anyway, these are little envelopes like that, and there are a number of those, and tags. I don't know why it's all upside down. And then this is a tag, another tag, tags, different kinds of tags, and embellishments. So those are all in this package here, and there are a few more inside as well. There's some music paper and some more papers. And then you get a packet of add-ons. I guess you'd call these were more pages, and then this would be more embellishments, I would say you'd call this. And honestly, I made this a week ago and I sort of forget what was in here. Anyway, it's an assortment. So you get ribbons, and I coordinated them, is that the word? For this, you know, the colors. So there's sort of tea dyes and coffee dyes, and there are floral embellishments and little flowers that I've made. There are quite a few stamps, buttons, different kinds of buttons, ribbons. What's this? And those are those pins. I think they're called garment pins, the silver garment pins. Lace motif, ribbon, more lace. There's two of these, and ribbons and so forth. So that's all in this glassine bag. And I hope you're all doing well, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.